Selling in person in 2025? Here's how to set up and use GoDaddy POS. Fast, simple, and built for small business. Step 1. Log into your GoDaddy account and go to the POS section. Order your POS hardware or use their mobile card reader with the GoDaddy app. Step 2. Connect your product catalog from your GoDaddy online store, or add products manually with prices, taxes, and inventory. Step 3. Pair your POS device or phone with the app. You're ready to start taking payments: credit, debit, tap, or manual entry. Step 4. Track all in-person and online sales in one dashboard. Everything syncs automatically. Pricing? You'll pay a flat processing fee per transaction and no long-term contracts. GoDaddy POS is a solid all-in-one option for small retailers who want to sell anywhere, online and off.